In the coldest, most isolated continent on Earth, a glacier bleeds dark crimson into the endless white. Deep beneath the ice, ancient secrets stir in black, salty waters, untouched for millions of years. What is the blood falls of Antarctica truly hiding beneath its eerie red waters? And could it unlock the secrets of life beyond our world? Antarctica, a land of endless ice, screaming winds, and a silence so deep it feels alive. It is the last true wilderness on Earth, a continent where temperatures can plummet below -60 degrees Celsius, and the sun can disappear for months, plunging the world into an eternal night. Yet, in this world of extremes, where snow and ice stretch beyond the horizon, there lies a sight so strange, so haunting, that even the most seasoned explorers stop in their tracks when they see it. A glacier that bleeds, at the edge of the Taylor Glacier, located in the barren McMurdo Dry Valleys. A stream of dark, blood-red water spills from the ice, slowly crawling across the white snow like the wound of a giant beast. This phenomenon, known as the blood falls, has fascinated and puzzled scientists and explorers for over a century. In 1911, Australian geologist Griffith Taylor discovered this crimson flow while mapping the dry valleys. He was struck by the unnatural color staining the snow, a vivid contrast to the blinding white of the Antarctic landscape. Early theories suggested that red algae were responsible for the color. But as decades passed, the true story behind the blood falls revealed something far more incredible. Beneath the glacier, sealed off from the surface for over 2 million years, lies an ancient network of subglacial lakes and rivers. These dark waters are super salty, so much so that they cannot freeze even in Antarctica's extreme cold. They are rich in iron, and as this brine slowly finds its way through cracks in the glacier, it eventually emerges into the air, where the iron oxidizes and turns a deep, dark red, much like blood when it meets oxygen. But it is what lives within these waters that truly challenges our understanding of life on Earth. Despite complete darkness, extreme salinity, and zero oxygen, microbial life thrives in these hidden lakes. These microbes are extremophiles, organisms that can survive conditions that would kill almost any other form of life. They live in an ecosystem that has been isolated for millions of years, adapting to use iron and sulfur to generate energy in place of sunlight. This is not just an isolated curiosity, it is a living window into Earth's past, preserving an ancient form of life that may resemble the earliest life forms on our planet. When the Earth was young and harsh, the existence of life in such an extreme environment also raises profound questions about the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. If life can survive in the icy, dark, salty brines beneath Antarctica, could similar life exist beneath the icy crust of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, or Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, where scientists believe oceans of liquid water exist beneath thick layers of ice? The microbes found in the blood falls use chemosynthesis, a process that does not rely on sunlight but instead uses chemical reactions to produce energy, such as oxidizing iron and reducing sulfate. This unique form of life suggests that on worlds far from the warmth of a star, life could still exist in the darkness, using the chemistry of their environment to survive. Yet, the blood falls is not just a scientific wonder. It is a place of haunting beauty and mystery. Imagine standing there, in the silence of Antarctica, with the cold biting into your skin, the wind howling across the ice, and before you, a river of red water flowing slowly over the glacier, staining the snow as it moves. The McMurdo Dry Valleys themselves are among the driest places on Earth, receiving less precipitation than the Sahara Desert. The valleys are often compared to Mars because of their rocky, barren landscape and dry, cold conditions. NASA and other space agencies even use this region as a testing ground for instruments that might one day search for life on Mars, training here to prepare for missions to the Red Planet. Despite the decades of research, the blood falls still holds mysteries that scientists are eager to uncover. How exactly does the water travel through the glacier without freezing? Despite the extreme cold, scientists know that the water's high salinity allows it to remain liquid at sub-zero temperatures. but the exact pathways it follows within the glacier are complex and only partially mapped. Using ice-penetrating radar, autonomous drones, and robotic drills, researchers continue to explore these hidden rivers and lakes, mapping their flow and studying the life that exists within them. Every new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, revealing just how interconnected and dynamic these hidden systems are beneath the ice. Climate change is also having an impact on Antarctica, and scientists are closely monitoring the bloodfalls for changes in flow patterns, salinity, and microbial life as the climate warms. Will the melting ice release ancient microbes into the ocean? And what could this mean for Earth's ecosystems? Could the shifting ice reveal new pockets of life that have been trapped for even longer? Preserving secrets from a time before humans ever walked the Earth? The sight of the blood falls is both unsettling and mesmerizing. The dark red water flowing across the white snow looks like something out of a nightmare. Yet it is a natural process, a reminder of the hidden forces at work beneath our feet. It is a place where science meets mystery, where every drop of red water tells a story of survival against all odds. For explorers, standing before the blood falls is a moment of awe. The silence of Antarctica, broken only by the sound of the wind and the distant crack of shifting ice, makes the slow movement of the red water feel almost alive, as if the glacier itself is bleeding, revealing the secrets of the ancient world beneath. In a world where much of the surface has been mapped and explored, the blood falls remains a place of true mystery, a reminder that there are still places on Earth that challenge our understanding, that defy easy explanations, and that inspire us to keep asking questions. As scientists continue to study the blood falls, we learn more about the resilience of life, the history of our planet, and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. But we also learn something about ourselves, about our desire to explore, to understand, and to find meaning in the mysteries that nature presents to us. The blood falls of Antarctica is more than just a glacier that bleeds. It is a symbol of mystery, resilience, and the unknown. It is a place where the past meets the present, where science meets the unexplained, and where the harshest conditions on Earth give birth to life that endures, adapts, and continues. And perhaps, somewhere beneath the ice, the microbes that thrive in darkness are quietly waiting, continuing their ancient existence, reminding us that life is everywhere, even in the most unexpected places, and that our journey of exploration has only just begun. Do you think the blood falls could reveal the secrets of how life might exist on other worlds? Or is it a reminder that our own planet still holds mysteries waiting to be uncovered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed exploring this chilling mystery, remember to subscribe to MrTiBo Mystery Pulse for more deep dives into the world's hidden wonders. Stay curious, and keep exploring.